Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome. This week we have the 7 Habits Review. So, boys and girls, we have officially reached and touched upon each of the 7 habits. So I want you to go ahead and with your classroom discuss what each habit means, and perhaps you have a hand motion or a saying, something that helps you memorize these 7 habits throughout the day. Perhaps you guys can start practicing. Let me know if you guys want to perform something and your teacher can record it and send it to me. Continue to practice all 7 habits, boys and girls, and we'll catch you next week. Our October Attendance Challenge Day will be on Friday, October 13th. It'll be College Day. Wear your classroom's college gear, perhaps a t-shirt or the college colors you have. Check with your teacher to make sure you have your college gear, and if you're here that day, you'll be entered into a classroom drawing. Thank you very much, boys and girls.
We skated around our neighborhoods together and we had fun that way.
I'd officially accomplished that dream. I signed a 5-year contract and skated for a company actually based out here in California.
Hi, Shane. Whoa! 60 skateboard. It's one of the first mass-produced skateboards.
All right.
And on the skateboard, it makes it easier to do things like tricks. It makes it easier to ride on things like ramps.
We call this trick a space walk. You can see Pete balancing on the back 2 wheels while swinging the nose back. Beautiful spin.
Freestyle skateboard, the smaller one. This board was designed to get up that hills. With skateboarders, we take stuff from dirt. Freestyle. Oh, beautiful kickflip, Shane.